Hello again everyone, welcome back. Corona Borealis. I have seen other channels attempt to separate Matthew chapter 24 verse 30, Mark chapter 13 verse 26 and Luke chapter 21 verse 27 into three separate events or time frames. However, when I look at Cepheus as the crowned king, I see only one continuous period. So here I will slowly strip out the common wording in the three verses and compare them to Revelation chapter 14 verse 14. But first a reminder of the verses themselves.
And I looked, and behold a white cloud, and upon the cloud one sat like unto the Son of Man, having on his head a golden crown, and in his hand a sharp sickle. And then shall appear the sign of the Son of Man in heaven. And then shall all the tribes of the earth mourn, and they shall see the Son of Man coming in the clouds of heaven with power and great glory. And then shall they see the Son of Man coming in the clouds with great power and glory. And then shall they see the Son of Man coming in a cloud with power and great glory.
So step by step, I will now highlight the common words in yellow and green, beginning with clouds. And now in green, power. And now in green, glory. And now in green, see the Son of Man coming. And now in green, the word great. And now the connecting words, in there, with and, or in the case of Luke, in a, with and. And now in green, and then they shall, or and then shall they. And now of heaven, which is a qualification to in the clouds in Matthew chapter 24. And here I colour in green, shall all the tribes of the earth mourn, and. This phrase is additional information to Matthew chapter 24, compared to Mark and Luke, but takes place before the Son of Man coming. So now when we look at all the common words used and discount additional information, now all coloured in yellow, we can see Matthew chapter 24 verse 30, Mark chapter 13 verse 26 and Luke chapter 21 verse 27 all relate to the same event of the Son of Man coming. And when compared to Revelation chapter 14 verse 14, we can see that that verse does not speak of the Son of Man coming, but rather one sat like unto the Son of Man. Does Revelation chapter 14 verse 14 refer to Cepheus? I believe so. But what of Borealis? And when I try to perform the same exercise, comparing common words between Revelation chapter 14 verse 14 and Revelation chapter 6 verse 2, we can see that few words are a match. And I looked, and behold a white. And I saw, and behold a white. These words are exactly the same in the Greek, which I find extremely interesting. If Revelation 14:14 is speaking of Cepheus in the stars, then should we be surprised that Revelation 6:2 opens with the exact same wording, if it too is speaking of the stars, Borealis? And isn't it also interesting that the only other significant words common to both passages are the words sat and crown. Borealis sat on a white horse, Cepheus on a white cloud. The crown also common to both Cepheus and Borealis.
Oh, how embarrassing. Ooh, we slept right through church.
Not the end of the world.
Oh, no, it's the apocalypse.
As we have just seen, the four horsemen of the apocalypse, as portrayed in The Simpsons, ride upon clouds, and in that example, a red cloud. I believe this is a significant confirmation of my interpretation of the white cloud and the white horse. And I am seeing a lot of white clouds daily. As you are likely all aware by now, we are being told that Corona Borealis will go supernova before September 2024. Because of Daniel chapter 5 verse 31, I continue to maintain that because of number 44's 63rd birthday on August the 4th, the supernova must happen before that date, now just 8 weeks away. Until now, I think I've underestimated its importance. But I now believe this supernova is absolutely the fulfillment of the first part of Revelation chapter 6 verse 2, and that maybe nothing needs to happen to Arcturus or Borealis. They are quietly telling us that we're about to be taken home.
And I saw when the Lamb opened one of the seals, and I heard, as it were, the noise of thunder, one of the four beasts saying, Come and see. And I saw, and behold, a white horse, and he that sat on him had a bow, and a crown was given unto him. And he went forth conquering, and to conquer. In that night was Belshazzar the king of the Chaldeans slain, and Darius the Median took the kingdom, being about 62 years old.